Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maggie. Today is another DIY. Today's DIY is this mini ladder. I am so excited to share this tutorial with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. The supplies you're gonna need for this DIY is 2 of these wall art canvases. You only need to take apart one of the canvas. And I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife to remove the actual canvas. You can leave the staple on, it will not show because it will be in the back. And I'm gonna cut the edge of all the canvases off using this mini saw that I got from Dollar Tree. You could also use any kitchen knife with the saw teeth and it will work just fine. It comes up really easily because it's not really wood, you know. We're gonna do that to all 4 pieces of the wood. As for the second canvas, you only need to take one part of the wood off and leave the other 3 on. And once we remove the canvas, I'm going to give this 2 coats of white chalk paint. And once the paint is dry, I let it dry about a good 30 or 40 minutes. And then we're going to use hot glue. You could use wood glue too, but I found that hot glue works just fine. It holds it really steady because we're just going to display the ladders. It doesn't take long at all to assemble the ladders. The longest part was the painting and let the paint dry. But after that, because the hot glue dries instantly, it's perfect for this project. Once the glue is dry and everything is attached, I'm going to use my sandpaper and give it a little distress. I'm just using sandpaper from Dollar Tree. You get a pack for like 30 something for $1. You could even stain this if you don't like to paint. I think my next one I'm going to stain it instead of painting it white, even though I love white. And then once that's done, you can use any dish towel to display it all year round use. It is the perfect decor and it takes no time to make it at all, and it only costs you $2. I checked on Etsy and these go for as much as 30 something dollars. Could you believe it? That's crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment what you think. If you recreate this, I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram, okay? I want to thank you so much for watching as always and supporting me. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.